Good morning from Myeongdong in Korea. We are on our way. Today is Seongsu, and we're going to stop at the Olive Young and have a skincare analysis. We're going to do some serious shopping for this face that's broken out from my prednisone. And Kyler and Alex are also going to get a skincare analysis, and we're going to shop for what else we want? We're looking for a hat.
Yeah, I specifically want a hat with the Korean flag on it, if possible.
Apparently, Korea loves America because every hat that we see is something
says Los
American.
Angeles, says New York, or has the American flag.
Yeah, so we're looking for some Korean things, but we're gonna go shopping, shopping, shopping. So right behind me is a pop-up of a launching of new makeup from Wake Make, and we got to go in and we got to try their makeup and we got to purchase it, and I'm so excited. I've got myself a haul right here, so I will show you later.